In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in Confluence. Before we start, keep in mind that Confluence is part of the wider Atlassian ecosystem, so when you delete your account, it can affect access to other Atlassian products linked to the same login, like Jira or Trello. Make sure you really want to remove your account and that you've saved any important information or exported any content you might need later. Let's begin inside Confluence. First, make sure you're logged in with the account you want to delete. Once you're on any Confluence page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar or your initials in a small circle. Click on this profile icon. This is where Atlassian keeps your personal and account-related options. After clicking your profile, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Account Settings. This will open a separate settings area in a new tab or window, taking you out of the main Confluence space and into your Atlassian account management page. On the Account Settings page, you'll see several sections related to your profile, security, and preferences. What you want to look for here is Account Preferences. Click on Account Preferences to access settings that control how your account behaves and, importantly, where the delete option lives. Once you're inside the Account Preferences section, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account. This is usually placed near the bottom because it's a more serious and irreversible action. Click on Delete Account. At this point, Atlassian may show you warnings or additional information about what deleting your account means. Read these details carefully. You might be informed about losing access to all Atlassian products tied to this login, and that some of your content, such as comments or pages, may remain visible to others but will no longer be associated with your name. Follow any on-screen prompts, which can include confirming your decision, possibly re-entering your password, and then finalizing the deletion. Once you complete those confirmations, your delete request will be submitted.